Hi, I'm Janae with Janae's Tropicals in St. Petersburg, Florida, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to grow soybeans. You'll need the following materials: a good plot of ground or a container, something for your soybeans to crawl on, a great compost, and plenty of organics like cottonseed meal or perhaps blood meal, and a trowel. Soybeans are fast growers and they're really easy to have a productive crop. It's a good idea to rotate your crops, meaning do not plant in the same spot year after year. It's better to move either your plot of ground or switch out your soil if you're growing them in containers. You need something for them to crawl on. You could use lattice, trellis, poles with fishing line. I've tied 3 stakes together to make a teepee, and this will work well since they'll climb right up the teepee. I've worked some really good soil in my container. I've added some cottonseed meal. I've already planted a couple of the soybeans. It's a good idea to go with disease-resistant seed, since soybean, even though they're real hardy, they can get certain funguses if the ground's too wet and so forth. So I've already planted these. I've thinned my seed out, so I've gone with just a couple of really strong specimens. And I'm just gonna dig a little hole here about 1 inch deep, and I'm gonna put my last seedling in my pot. Gonna pack it in gently, and then I'm gonna water it in. And then down the road, maybe within a couple weeks, I'll add some more organics. They're fast growers, so they're fairly heavy feeders, but in the long run, they're really easy to grow. If you see any pests, beetles, or little egg masses under the leaves, just pick them off. And another important tip is when your leaves are real wet, try not to fiddle with your soybeans, or if you have them in the ground, try not to walk through the crop because you can spread fungus and different diseases. But besides that, they're really easy to grow, and within 100 days, you'll have soybeans to pick. So I'm Janae with Janae's Tropicals. Have a wonderful day.